Graduation cap difference between monitoring and evaluation. MNE monitoring and evaluation are two related but different functions in project management. Monitoring is the continuous process of collecting information on project activities and outputs. It helps managers track progress, identify delays, and make quick adjustments. Evaluation, on the other hand, is the periodic assessment of a project's outcomes and impacts. It asks, did the project achieve its objectives, and what difference did it make? Evaluations are often midterm or end of project, and they help improve future planning, accountability, and learning. The evaluation criteria include relevance, effectiveness, efficiency, impact, sustainability, and coherence. Backhand index pointing right. In short, monitoring equals ongoing tracking, evaluation equals assessing results and impact. Both are essential to ensure resources are used effectively and communities truly benefit.